today's video vlog is all about prenup fashion styling, umuulan ng pag-ibig, courtesy by our friend, events planner and makeup artist by Marvy Jimenez, events team, and wardrobe fashion stylist and conceptualized for this video, courtesy by XM Style Studio by Samalaka, and the fashion stylist associate P5 Brazil, and our location for this video vlog in Intramuros, Manila. Just keep on watching and wag pa kayong bibitaw. Salamat po. Ito naman po yung video clip, our fashion styling gig with the family po ni Alika TV with the celebrity Christine Reyes. And ang fashion team po nito, it's all about nautical team, conceptualized by head stylist, styled by Ontong, and associate stylist P5 Brazil.
Everybody make some TikTok!
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, P5 Brazil. Makeup by
Marvy
Jimenez. Saan po tayo ngayon?
So we are here now at White Night Hotel Video at Casa Vera Studio.
Just keep on watching po. And hello po from Casa Vera. So, ito na nga po, may kita nyo naman dito yung first layout itong blue gown with the long tail. At nilagyan ko na lang po ito ng red na fur to have an drama on the shoulder. Ayan, so itong photo shoot provided by XM Style Studio para sa mga glam shot na gagamitin dito na wardrobe sa photoshoot. Sa Casa Vera Studio, it's pwede rin pa kayo dito for indoor and outdoor photoshoot. So ang facade po nito or itsura po nung location po namin dito, it's more on historic or old places dito sa Intramuros. So as you can see po, it's most likely yung gown na suot ng bride, it's color blue para mag-pop up lang po yung beauty ng bride and groom. So ang struggle lang po namin dito, it's medyo hindi maganda yung weather at medyo umuulan. So as you can see ho, nandito lang kami sa loob pa rin ng Casa Vera Studios, and itong Barbara, it's restaurant po siya.
Sige, tuloy muna ito pagka bihis sa akin, tapos dire-diretso na. Okay ba sa inyo yun?
So ito na nga po yung aming second layout po na prenup photoshoot, makeup artist by Marvy Jimenez, and ito pong groom po namin, it's a Philippine Air Force, and yung kanyang wife po is government nurse. So ang location po namin dito, Baluarte de San Diego, was built in 1586 to 1587. So ang itsura po nito or facade nitong Baluarte de San Diego, it's is of spade or para siyang oval na malaki. So ang purpose nitong Baluarte de San Diego is to defend the city from the war. Ayan, so nakikita niyo po bakit po kami ng mataas na hagdanan. So ang layout po ng second photoshoot po nito, it's yung bride po, it's pinasuot po namin siya ng romper na color blue. Then nilagyan po siya ng chunky necklace na gold with the accent po ng big belt. So nag-layer din po ako dito ng color black na blazer para kay bride, para mag-blend po sa men in uniform na si groom na naka Air Force uniform. Ito naman po yung third location ng photoshoot po namin dito pa rin sa Intramuros. So ito pong place po na to, it's the most historical location place in Intramuros. So ito po yung tinatawag na the Fort Santiago. Was built in 1571. So, struggle ng photoshoot po na to kasi as you can see, medyo umuulan talaga siya. So, hindi kami makapag-start ng photoshoot kasi nakita niyo po marami pa rin dumadaan po ng mga tao. And just keep on watching and what pakibitaw. Salamat po.
Meron pa kalabas.
May lalabas pa. Ito pong client po na to is provided by Marvy Jimenez, the makeup artist, and also the XM Style Studio for the wardrobe. So, nakikita niyo po dito talagang diretso pa rin yung pag-ulan, so hindi talaga maganda yung weather. And nakita niyo rin po, pinapayumak po kasi yung couple dahil medyo nababasa talaga sila. So, game na game pa rin, on the go pa rin yung photoshoot. Prenup styling po namin dito sa Intramuros. Just keep on watching. For the third look, vintage outfit ng couple. So itong nakita niyo po yung bride, nakasuot po siya ng teal green na gown with the ruffles, and meron po siyang chunky necklace and also with the headband po. Then meron din po siyang suot po na black lace. Then for the groom, ang outfit po niya dito, it's most likely vintage champagne red na suit. Then naka-loafers po siya dito na brown. So vintage look po ito para mag-blend lang po sa facade or itsura ng Fort Santiago. Then nakasandals po dito yung bride kasi 3 months na po siyang pregnant. Then dire-diretso pa rin pag-ulan po dito, and just keep on watching and wag po kayong bibitaw. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click nyo rin po yung bell notification para update po kayo sa upcoming vlogs. So dito pa rin naman kami, still sa Intramuros pa rin ito, diretso pa rin yung pag-ulan. Ayan, so medyo struggle talaga ito. And itong photographer po namin, nakita nyo rin po ito, it's Rainier Sugano Photography Team. Just keep on watching and wag po kayong bibitaw. Salamat po. And kung kailangan nyo po ng magaritong services like makeup and events planner, you may contact Marvy Jimenez Events Team to all the social media platforms. So, again, don't forget, makeup by Marvy Jimenez. Kung kailangan nyo rin po ng fashion stylist, prenup, or pre-debut, or all kinds of fashion styling, you may contact XM Style Studio by Sam Malacca. Maraming po salamat. And thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sa oras ko. God bless you all. Salamat.